What's up guys, Butterboy657 here, and today I'm going to show you how to mod a nerf elite Jolt. So this is my modded Jolt. As you can see, I removed the barrel post on it, and I also took out the air restrictor. So this is an unmodified Jolt, and I'm going to show you how to do it. All you need is a screwdriver and some needle nose pliers. So let's go. So first, all you have to do is you have to take away these 4 screws on the bottom there. So let's just go and do that. So now as you go to remove the last screw, just be careful because the whole bottom piece will come off. So you can just push down and pull this whole piece right out. So you want to make sure that you save all your screws. So I'm going to save them right here, and just going to pop this one out if I can. If not, that's no big deal really. So you might even need to unscrew it, as you can see. And I'm just going to put these in a pile off to the side elsewhere. Just make sure you save them for the end. So now if you look in here, you can see there's a spring and a little plastic piece. So that's what we're aiming to take out. So all you have to do is you just grab your needle nose pliers, and you just have to kind of take it out until you get out a piece. They'll show you what it looks like at the end. So let's do the spring that was in here. So now this, we're almost there, but you still have to take out that piece. So this you can throw out or keep. Okay, so I've gotten these 2 pieces of plastic out. These can be discarded too. So this is the piece that I just took out. This is the air restrictor. It'll look a little something like this. So you can throw this out. And now to remove the barrel post, simply grab your needle nose pliers, just grab it and then twist and pull out. So let's just do this. So just like that, it comes out, looks just like this. You want to make sure to keep that back plate in just so that no darts can go too far back. Gonna take a reassemble, just take the plunger, make sure the longer side is facing towards the trigger, and pull down the trigger so it slides in easier, and then just compress the spring and screw it in place. All 4 screws are good to fire, so just put in a dart like normal and pull back and fire. And immediately you can see the difference, especially when you dry fire, which I would not recommend doing. Thanks for watching guys, Butterboy657 out.